Yo guys, back to the channel, and here's a summary of Samsung Galaxy Unpacked. Experience is ready to unfold, they told us, and indeed, meet the new Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's thinnest and lightest fold yet. Just 8.9mm thin with a larger 8-inch AMOLED screen, stronger hinge and lighter 215 grams body. It packs a 200-megapixel camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chip for Samsung, and runs Android 16 with One UI 8 and Galaxy AI. Battery: the Fold 7 packs a 4400 mAh, wired with fast charging up to 45 watts, wireless up to 15 watts, reverse up to 4.5. The new Galaxy Z Flip 7, a sleeker clamshell foldable with a 50-megapixel main cam and a powerful new NPU for on-device AI, and for the first time ever, a fan edition foldable, the Flip 7 FE, offering flagship design under 1,000 grand. Battery on the Flip 7 is 3800 mAh, wired fast charging up to 25 watts, wireless charging up to 15 watts, and it's wireless PowerShare supported. While the battery on the Flip 7 FE is 3700 mAh and wired fast charging up to 25 watts, while the wireless is up to 10. No reverse charging on the FE. The Galaxy Watch 8 lineup features a slimmer body, a rotating bezel on the Classic, and a deeper health tracking, even your antioxidant levels, plus Gemini AI is built in for messages, tasks, and smarter workouts. Turn your personal metrics into a structured training program. Samsung Health can help you achieve better sleep, one night at a time. Insights to help you maintain heart and circulation health. See how healthy your current diet and lifestyle are. Manage your health your way with Galaxy Watch 8 series. The battery on the Watch 8 40mm is 300 mAh. The Watch 8 44mm is 425, and Watch 8 Classic 43 or 47mm, depending on the variant, is 425 up to 590 mAh. With One UI 8 and Galaxy AI, you get Circle to Search, Pro Visual Engine, and 7 years of updates. And yes, security gets a boost with Samsung Keep. One UI 8 expands that experience to our product ecosystem. Fastest with the latest Android on Galaxy smartphones out of the box. These devices setting a new bar forward. Possible life opens with Galaxy. That's it guys, so which device tempts you? Let me know down in the comments, and if you watched till here, thanks. Also hit a like and please subscribe, as it comes free for you but helps my channel. And until the next one, take good care of yourselves and each other. See ya.